The Larson Electronics EPLC2-HHB-175W-LED 90-watt explosion-proof light is approved for Class 1 Division 2 and Class 2 Divisions 1 and 2. This LED hazardous area light is designed for installation in locations where flammable gases, vapors, and liquids, combustible dusts and/or ignitable fibers and flyings exist or have the potential to exist, as well as NEMA 3 and 4X locations where wind, water, snow, ice, or high ambience can be expected. Weatherproof and listed for marine use, this explosion-proof LED fixture is the ideal choice for a range of industrial and marine applications, including those requiring installation in enclosed spaces. The multi-purpose floodlight design of this fixture makes it a popular choice for a range of applications regardless of whether the locations are designated hazardous or not. In addition to being weatherproof and suitable for extreme temperatures, this unit delivers a powerful 11,200 lumens and high chromaticity for excellent color rendering while drawing only 90 watts. This explosion-proof hazardous area lamp is housed within a lightweight, high-strength copper-free aluminum body. Protecting the LED lamp is a polycarbonate lens. The housing has been finished with an epoxy powder, and all exposed hardware is constructed of stainless steel for added corrosion prevention and durability. This light is offered in wall, ceiling, pendant, or stanchion mount. Wiring is through a convenient MPT conduit entrance, and a simple hinge arrangement makes for faster and easier installation by permitting hands-free wiring. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.